Hi, my name is Sheraden Smith at the Kentucky Welding Institute, and let's do a shop walk. So this is the shop pace guide, and you start with flux X plate, and then it goes all the way down to the 6 main certs that we have, and these are all the certs. So the students, when they're welding, can come up and look at these examples to know what's next and how they should look. Here's some of them, but then there's 25 more. So we have students in almost every single booth welding. It's nice to go in and check on them, see how we can help them, how they can improve, and just keep going on to the next booth. Right here, we're working on an aluminum basket for the boiler to make it more real life. So we'll put this inside here and use that to raise up the basket so these students can get the feel for what it's like to be in a real boiler. They can weld on anything they want up there, they can cut it out and mill hog it, grind it, whatever they want to do, and weld up some tubes. Outside here we have the pipe bevelers, and then a place for the students to grind and then also cut the plate out. We also have options to weld outside on the stand using all those welders out there. And then my favorite part is the pipe rack all the way over there. Students are able to put a harness on, get up on the scaffolding and weld out there in the pipe rack. And for me, when I got up there, it felt like I was working again. So it's really like you're welding out in the field. Very nice. So the best part about coming in early or staying late is you can get up to 16 hours of welding time. We have a student who just passed his first monster certification and he's still in the classroom. And that's a pretty big achievement. But like Andy over here, he's pulling 16s as well. So you can get all of this time in and be so far ahead. If you want to graduate early, you can graduate early, go on a job and make really good money with just coming to school for 3 months and pulling 16s. So this student is working on padding out some 6-inch on 5G. It's really nice because you have your own setup, your own booth, your own table, your own machine. You don't have to worry about really any other student coming and messing with you, but also the instructors are able to go in and help give advice and just keep on going. So that's the basics of the Kentucky Welding Institute. If you want to know more, check out our Instagram or Facebook, TikTok, anything like that, and come get a tour. Come see us.